Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by myself, so buy my sunglasses. First link down below. Anyway, it is day number 1 for Corvettes of Carlisle, and we're going to meet Steve and Shane and everybody else who's already there. All right, Grandpa, it's time to get up. To Carlisle.
Up to 130%.
Words cannot even describe to you how bad I want an old Stingray Corvette. It doesn't really matter. I mean, I just want a split window coupe, but those are the best looking, might be one of the best looking cars ever made, and I want one so bad. But I'm torn between, like, would I get one and keep it an antique and keep it as it is, or would I get one and make like a resto mod out of it and then have something I could drive every day, which would be really cool, or get one and put a twin turbo 427 in it and make it like a drag car. Either way would be cool, but I want one of them. I will own one of those at some point. Cops are out in force today as well, and as I drive past all these cops, I can't help but wonder, you know, is it even legal to drive on skinnies? I'm not sure if it is. I mean, I wouldn't see why not. So many Corvettes, so many Corvettes. It is friggin' awesome how many there are. I mean, I think this is the biggest Corvette show in the world. And, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's legal to drive on skinnies or not. If you like Corvettes, if you like cars, and you've never been to the Carlisle events, you're missing out because they're awesome. But especially the Corvette show. It's kind of, I feel like Corvettes of Carlisle is their most famous one. And for good reason. It's Corvette heaven. The other thing I gotta say is Grandpa drives really nice. Drove it all the way back from Andy's. That's about 40 miles. This trip is about 30 miles. And, you know, doing great. Idles, perfect. Like, it's pretty hot out. It's like 90 degrees. And the car runs perfectly. And it gets phenomenal gas mileage. Now, I haven't, like, spent any gas. And I think it's because the car is so light. I think at this point it weighs under 3,000. I would put money on that. And I don't really drive it that fast when I'm on the skinnies. You may go, buddy. I didn't even get a thank you wave. Where's my wave? I want my wave. Or the gas gauge is broken. Either one, you never know.
What's up?
What's up, buddy?
What are you waiting for?
I'm talking to my man over here.
Waiting for this little
Getting
piece of
acquainted,
paper.
waiting for my pass. Thank you, Shane.
You're welcome, brother.
Here we go, man.
Slapper dapper.
Dude, this is pretty packed.
Yeah, buddy.
This is wild, man.
Oh,
Nice to meet you, man.
nice to meet you too.
Oh, here we go.
Unlock this beast.
Unlocked. It should be unlocked. I'm sorry, there's chairs. I think they're actually your chairs. I'm pretty sure they're your chairs in the first place. All right, where are we going?
We are going over that way.
Okay.
Over to the...
Said there's over 3,000 Corvettes
Yes,
this year.
sir.
I feel like it's bigger than last year.
Probably.
I don't know. Was it like bad weather or something last year? No, it was nice.
Oh, it's nice.
Hey, look, it's another Grandpa. Hello. Look at the wang on that one, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
It's a wangster. All right, all right.
Right here, make a right.
Adams polishes. What do we got? Whitmoyer there behind us?
Whitmore right here.
Oh, Whitmore's over here. All right. Shane's pretty comfortable. He's got AC. He's got a really nice chair.
That's it, Mike.
What's up, man? How you doing? Seagarner Speed, my man over here. How you doing, buddy?
How are you, buddy?
Your car is looking sick.
I appreciate it.
Look at that.
I appreciate
The wrap is still looking great.
It's looking great.
And the doors, man.
The doors.
You're ballsy, because I went with the doors and I advised not to do them.
did.
But how do you like your fitment?
I love it, man.
Right, same company? What?
Same company did.
Vertical
same
doors,
company,
yeah.
Same company. They sponsored
Yeah.
it, and
They look sick though. Like, I can't even lie. They look
I
good.
think because of the wrap. It makes
That
it
too,
look more
yeah.
exotic. But outside of that, man, it's the same thing as you had.
Yeah, yeah.
And the wheels, I got them painted gloss
The
black.
Ferratas, yep, yep. So definitely check him out on YouTube and subscribe. We've been together a couple times, a couple different shows.
Yeah, and we every time we race, that ZR1 race is close though. People,
That was, I'll race you in Grandpa today. That should be really
you
close.
ready to do that?
I'm ready, I'm down, dude.
Well, I'm down.
I'm down. Mexico's like, dude, like 5 miles that way.
Is it really?
Oh yeah. I don't know if you knew that, but I know you're from North Carolina, but yeah,
I'm from North Carolina.
Mexico's real close, dude.
You can go to Mexico.
Freaking sweet.
Probably not doing it again. But I'm willing to get a W for that.
Line lock is working.
How much do you think
And
you
working
lost?
great.
50%?
I literally think I probably lost, yeah, about 50% of the tire. It was like, well, I didn't think it was gonna be that big.
I'm ready.
We got everything set up here. Your car is the only one facing the wrong way, I have to say.
I know. Did that on purpose after our little incident yesterday.
All right, we've stopped. Steve was hearing a front end noise. Every single warning light on the dash is on. Anti-lock brakes, check engine, traction control system. What's the matter, buddy? What happened?
It was like 130 mile an hour.
Oh! Oh no!
I told you I heard it.
What the fuck?
Unbelievable.
Well, we were only doing 55 though.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mexican winds.
Yeah, those Mexican crosswinds got us. Well, here, rip this. There we go. Luckily, Steve's got all the tools he needs to fix on the go.
We think.
The Corvette is like his mobile repair station. You're like one of those mobile mechanic vans, except for your fucking C5 Corvette.
C5 Corvette.
And he can fix everything. It's crazy what he fixes out of this car.
I need like a razor.
I love it. Is there a plate on this car? What? I just saw one in the compartment.
It is a perfect Mexican.
If I had my McLaren out, this would be Mexico real quick. This is really,
In Mexico.
yeah, this is a nice stretch of road though, and for this reason, because if you hit the lights, you can just wait on a side road and wait out the red light, and then when traffic hits the red light, you can go, and you have the whole street. And it's safe, which, you know, we actually do, I mean, I care about for sure. Steve cares about safety. So it's nice if you can get it open without anybody else on it, then you can have a little fun. Obviously, if there's traffic, you know, that's not the time and the place, but you can see how.
Also, when you can jump in a car and drive, you don't have to worry about dumb stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. We are at Corvettes of Carlisle here at the In-Chain Designs booth. It's a great day, everybody's having a good time, and I think I'm also going to start walking around. And first stop's gonna be Adams to get some cleaning supplies. This is my once a year I get cleaning supplies for my car, and that's because Adams gives it to me for free. But they do have awesome stuff. I mean, look at all their stuff smells so good. They got all kinds of different colors. Anything you can need. Now, I got Troy with me, and he can direct me to do the right thing, but I don't have Troy today, so I'm on my own. Tire shine detail spray, wheel cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, and iron remover.
Oh, yeah.
We got buttery wax right here, which looks pretty interesting.
Smells like bananas.
Yeah. Everything smells amazing, as I said, and they got all kinds of cool stuff here. Definitely worth a stop if you want to get some cool cleaning supplies. My closet at home is filled with Adams stuff. It's all pretty good, and if Troy, the expert, trusts them, then you know it's got to be legit. There's an ask for Chad. What model year? You're like a 1992.
Like a 91.
91.
Yeah, mid-year.
Sick, dude. Me too. Got the GM10. Got a Sebring Orange Grand Sport convertible. ZR1 in what color is this? The ceramic. Oh.
Oh, that's my color.
I know, it is a great color. It's a great color, dude. No doubt.
What do they call it?
Red interior. Ceramic matrix gray. Ceramic matrix gray metallic, I think.
Ceramic matrix gray metallic. That's such a long.
It is a good color though. 7-speed manual. You got a ZR1 convertible up here too. Kind of neat. C4 Grand Sport. I don't know why. I drove one in what was that game called? Gran Turismo back in the day. And I just always loved the color, the red, white, and blue, the little hash mark. Super cool. I'd love one, but these are like in a real Grand Sport in good condition is like $40,000. Really holding their value. Those things are so cool, dude. Yeah. Gran Turismo.
Remember about that.
Wait, did you not hear me say that?
No.
Oh, you didn't hear me say about Gran Turismo? That's what I said when I saw
The
it.
video game.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's what I said. I
didn't
thought you
hear
heard me.
I was over there. I did not hear you say that.
We got a Callaway Carbon 65 car. That's pretty wild. You guys, I'm sure, remember the Carbon 65 edition Grand Sports and Z06s. Very cool. Very cool.
Car, dude.
There you go. Benefits the Ronald McDonald House. Right on the bottom, maroon up top. No, I'm good.
Oh,
Dude, holy cow. Wow. Forgiato wheels.
Green accents.
Whoa. Look at all the skull graphics. It's like an alligator skin. The Burnout contest.
Yeah, you should.
Oh my God, I got to do that. Is that tomorrow? That's tomorrow. I'll do it. I'll do it. There goes Shane. There goes Shane. Got an old first gen Corvette, like the first one ever made. And those are from the, I'm actually not quite sure. I believe they're like 1957, I want to say. But yeah, I'm not too great on the old car stuff, as you guys know. But I'm pretty sure it's like right in that time period. Those are really cool. But of course, the C2 is always my favorite. Cool, they bring like a whole gas station and set up their cars. And this is insane. So this is a 63 Grand Sport. I forget what it's called, but it's like this Grand Sport race car, and this thing won like a bunch of stuff back in the day. Wide body with the big vents on it. One of these was at Supercars on State Street last year, and I loved it. Mike Furman sold me my first Corvette ever. Great dude. I found him on the forums, and he sells like so many Corvettes, but he responded right away, and he's an awesome guy. If you need a Corvette, I would highly recommend him. And here we got the Chevy, another Chevy booth. This is the Chevy Racing booth, and of course a C7R race car, which is just insane to see how wide it is in person. The size of that vent. It's crazy. And here is the simulator. So this is what you were in?
Yeah.
The simulator?
I thought this was the mid-engine.
So they got people playing Forza in like a full simulator. That guy crashed.
To know when hard turns and all are coming up.
And I didn't even know the clutch pedal was doing.
So he ran up to second.
So yeah, now this kid comes up to me and I go, all right, man, you know how to play? You ever played this game before? He goes, nah, I would recognize. This kid came up with a fierce look in his face, looks me dead in the face and goes, every single day.
Oh!
That was him?
Got the Corvette racing trailer over here. Pretty cool. The simulators, I'm not sure if they always had those or not, but definitely neat. And some Corvettes as well. Here is a yellow ZR1. So, I mean, if Sebring Orange wasn't available, you better believe this is the color I would have gotten. And it looks good in this color too. Looks really good. Can't even lie, yellow looks great on a ZR1. Very cool.
Who's finally out of bed?
I've got what?
I had to. I didn't shoot it earlier.
You better put that in that that's not true. Everyone's gonna fucking roast me.
Nobody's gonna know what time it is.
they're gonna know what time it is. I got line lock now, so you know what it's time for. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing the burnout contest in the Grandpa Vette. Now, I do have to drive home, so I don't want to burn my tires off, but I'm gonna try to win.
I'm not sure if you can see her.
All right, the burnout contest. I'm not sure what this car is doing.
The engine go, but the wheels don't go. One final consultation here, and that might be the end. Let's see.
I'm not sure about this car. I don't know what's happening.
Sorry. The end.
That's it?
She tried. That's all we ever asked.
Huh.
No, her dad is very dedicated to this process, so he's going to take a look at it again. Don't forget, they're right off the Dukes Boulevard near the intersection, so.
All right, we got Leroy Senior up here.
That's funny because I just said Leroy Jr.
I mean, well, Andy's got Leroy Jr. Then we got the real Leroy, and now we got Leroy Senior. It is old. That's like a C3. Yeah.
He said 77.
Oh, drove over the chops.
Went over the top block.
I hope I got that on video. Hey guys, leave your foot there.
Yeah, just hold it with your foot.
Come on. We will back up and try that again. Solid.
That's burning the clutch and stalled. Not going well. Oh my God.
Looks good, do
My
it.
tires.
Sounds good.
Can't find them grinder.
What is going on down there?
Is that radiator fluid I smell, Russ? Oh, it's clutch, okay. You know what, I bet you can get a brand new clutch from Corvette America. We'll give it another try here or so. They are the pathetic sponsors after all.
Burning the clutch.
This might not work.
Let it go.
You can really smell that clutch, dude.
Definitely.
Holy shit. He's gonna keep trying, dude.
Dude, before they,
It's either gonna be catastrophic failure or bust.
All right, we're gonna wrap this one up. You try.
All right, there it goes.
that's like,
Yeah, that was not a good song for Leroy.
All right, we got a little burnout going.
Grab a gear. Grab a gear.
It's a quiet burnout. But as he said, it makes a
This is a very nice burnout. This is not super crazy. I think that's how you win. I think that's how you win.
That is a long burnout.
3 minutes?
He said
That's how
3
you
minutes
win?
for the tire blows.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm not doing that.
You gotta check that out.
I mean, I could. I'd have to go really slow though, like this.
You guys don't want to sit through this.
20 seconds left, Steven. 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Three minutes.
That was from
Really
Steven.
impressive.
3 whole minutes.
3.5 minute
That's
video.
wild, man. That's wild.
Really do a burnout, so
Polite
Steven can be the first one we vote for here.
That was good.
Give a round of applause for Steven so we can judge his Keep the hill worthiness.
For him.
All right, Steven, back it up over your left shoulder there in the nook between the barrels of the forklift.
looks like an LS3 maybe. He's spinning. He's shifting. Why you gotta put me after that guy?
Regular Corvette, let's do it. Don't think this is a regular Corvette, Mike. Stop. Oh, okay, the big tires on the front, the big fat ones on the back. Stop. Okay, what's your plan here with this Burnout?
Well, I'm not gonna live up to that. I can tell you because I drive home. But I'm trying to make something good.
That's right, man. We have tire vendors here. We have exhaust vendors here.
You have a motor vendor here.
I wouldn't get tips from the people in Corvette America about Burnout.
You gotta repair them. So yours do that too? Mine's
Yeah, a lot of times the screen will go black. Yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta tap the screen.
3 minutes or until the tire blows. Whichever comes first. Race
all
over here.
stock supposedly.
Grandpa did real good. We couldn't get the win because that guy blew a freaking tire, which I can't compete with that. I do have to drive home, which sucks because I would have won had it not been for that guy. Yeah. But yeah, that thing was cool.
Your car sounded a lot better than
Did it though? Okay,
yeah.
cool. All right.
Heck yeah.
At least I get that.
Just from the noise.
Yeah,
People were loving it. Everyone was like, "What's done to him?" Like, it's just an LS2 with a cam. Texas speed cam though.
Pretty sure you said stop.
I did say. I
did
went up there and
stop.
said bone stock.
Yeah.
But yeah, Grandpa, dude, doing great. This car, I'm actually like really falling in love with this car. I like it. I had a lot of fun today with it. Before I leave, I got to give a huge thank you to Austin, Street Savages on YouTube. Check him out and subscribe. He filmed for me today.
Yep.
I appreciate you, buddy.
Felt for sending Steve a lot too.
Yeah, well, he ought to give you a shout out too.
Yeah,
And we play
did,
Fortnite
so
from time to time.
I mean, we don't win that many games, but it's always fun.
This is great. I think I might need new tires. Look at this like plastered rubber on there. Look at that. Is insane. That is insane. Definitely the most insane burnout I've done. And people, like, the amount of people who just came up to me as I was leaving and said like, "Oh dude, sick car, what's done to it? You know, awesome burnout, sounds incredible." And just an LS2 with a Texas speed cam, like I said. But a huge thank you to Andy, Diablo Formula Racing, of course. If you haven't checked him out already, definitely do so. Subscribe, follow him. Great job on the line lock install. Really made me look like I know what I'm doing. And if you want to do a hellacious burnout, get some line lock for yourself. Hit him up. He can do it for you. And check out this little cool thing from Carlisle Events. Also got some t-shirts from them. Huge thank you to Lance and everybody at Carlisle Events as well. They're awesome, awesome people. I mean, you want to talk about like the best run, most fun events. Carlisle stuff is always fantastic. Like I said when I showed up, and today did not disappoint. And tomorrow should be fun too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and the burnout contest. Let me know what you think. Did I win? Did I lose? I'm fine with second. If you did enjoy, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great night.